Now to get started, we're going to go ahead and put the key in the on position and put the shifter in neutral. After that, you're going to want to make sure that you use either your emergency brake or at least chuck your wheels so there's no way your truck can roll. Now let's get under the truck. Under the driver's side of the truck where the transmission is where we're going to be able to find our neutral safety switch. The next thing that I'm going to do is go ahead and pop this cable right off of it. So we'll just stick something in between the lever and the cable and gently pry it off. That's out of the way. The next thing we're going to do is remove this nut. So now I'm just going to carefully turn this. You're going to notice that it shifts the gears on the transmission as we go. Count the clicks as we turn this forward. Pay attention to the orientation of this. Now let's move along to removing the wiring. Press on this tab, and then wiggle it right off. Anytime you remove an electrical connector, take a peek. If you see any funny colors in there, it's corrosion and it needs to be dealt with. This one looks fine, so I'm just going to go ahead and set it aside. Now we can start removing our two mounting bolts. Before we start loosening those up though, I just want you to know that there is an adjustment to this. So of course, if you were to loosen these up, you're going to be able to spin this a little bit. And that adjustment is going to make all the difference when it comes to your indicator. So just take a peek and make sure you know exactly where these bolts are as you remove them. So now, if I just take this bolt and I start it back in there, looking at it, I can see that it's almost directly in the middle of this. So when I go to install it, I definitely don't want to have it tweaked all the way to the right or even to the left. I want to try to center it and we'll go from there. Now we're going to gently pry this away from the transmission, trying to slide it off of the shaft right along here. You might hear some crackling noises coming from the plastic being stuck on there. If that's the case, just give it a couple more squirts with penetrant. There it is, friends. Next, we want to pay attention to the shaft right here. If you see a whole bunch of debris, rust, rot, or anything the like, you want to make sure you clean that down. Use a wire brush or even a piece of sandpaper. Aside from that, there should be a seal that runs along in here. If it looks like you have fluid dripping down from there, now's a perfect time to go ahead and replace that seal. Obviously, that's not going to be something that's necessarily the easiest. You're more than likely still going to have to take down this transmission pan along the way. So there's a little bit more work involved than just replacing the seal, but you're about halfway there. Okay, so now the next thing we're going to do after we have this cleaned down is we're just going to take this and we're going to turn it clockwise 3 clicks. That's going to go ahead and put it back in neutral. You can do that either using some pliers, if you have some laying around, either that or you can just use this lever again. Just slide it right on there, give it a couple cranks, just 3 clicks. 1, 2, 3. There's neutral. I'm just going to put on a little bit of copper never sees on this or any type of lubricant you might happen to have. That's just going to help make sure that it doesn't necessarily get stuck on there again. Okay friends, now it's time to install our brand new neutral safety switch. Pay attention to this white area inside here. You're going to see that it has a couple cutouts. Well, they need to fit on the grooves that are on the shaft of the transmission. So as we line this up, make sure it's lined up perfectly before you try slamming it in there and potentially breaking it. I'm just going to wiggle this back and forth, slide it right on there. Oh yeah. If it doesn't want to slide on there, just grab a socket that fits over the shaft and give it a couple loving bonks. Now it's going to be time to start in both of our mounting bolts. We're just going to start them in, we'll get them close, and then we'll line up the neutral safety switch to where it's approximately in the center, then snug them up. Okay, now we can go ahead and snug these up and torque them to 89 inch-pounds. After you clean up the shaft on the transmission, make sure you clean up this area as well. Do both sides and of course this area right here. Now we're going to go ahead and put on the shift lever here. Pay attention to the bobble. You want to make sure that that's facing towards the frame and not towards the transmission. Also, you want to of course make sure that it's lined up and facing up. You don't want it facing down. That wouldn't make any sense. Should slide right into its little groove. Once you have it into its groove, go ahead and start on the mounting nut. Snug it up. Now torque it to 35 foot-pounds. Now let's just go ahead and turn this until it lines up. That should be neutral. Once it's in, just press it on, and then make sure it's secure. If this thing easily pops off, well then you need to go ahead and replace this unit right here. This one feels nice and tight, so I have nothing to worry about. Let's move along to the wiring. Take that, slide it in, listen for a click. I heard a little click there. I'm going to give it a nice tug. Okay, so now with this all back together, the next thing we're going to do is get back inside the passenger compartment. We're going to go ahead and put it in park and then try to start the truck. If it doesn't want to start, you need to come back down here, loosen these two bolts, and give this just a little tiny twist in one direction or the other. After you've done that, go ahead and snug it, retry it. If it starts, you should be good to go. Okay, with it still in neutral, let's try starting it. Starts that way. Park. All right, let's try it in reverse. Nothing. Perfect.